Hi and good morning. It is finally Friday and it's an extra warm day today. It's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm in New England and the leaves are changing. It's beautiful out. Decided to go for a long walk and maybe a run later on today. I'm not sure yet. It's so nice outside, so I'm not really entirely sure if it will be a run day or not. But I'm doing this really nice walk today and thought I'd take you along. And yeah, and then have maybe a picnic later on. How cool is this? There's this gorgeous boardwalk and I want to go run down it so badly, but I know I can't. I'm not allowed to because it will disturb a bunch of animals, but I want to so badly, so I'm gonna walk through it and not run, even though it just screams, run through me. Look at the turtles sunbathing. They are so adorable. Oh my goodness. Look at this really cool tree, the bottom of it. It's been here for I don't know how long. Apparently this is to help prevent the water from getting clogged up. There's a lot of beavers and they have two parts here. One over there and then this here to help prevent them from blocking the water flow. This tree is crazy cool. Now it's time for a little picnic. I have some Larabar edamame that are buffalo flavored, some grapes. One thing that I'm also doing is topping up my sunscreen. I'm using this product from Glow. It's a mineral powder foundation, sun protection. No, it's not a foundation, it's a sun protection. And I've been using it for the past like 3 or so weeks just to top up. If I'm out, I put it in my bag and go. It's been working really well. I bring up sun protection and sun care so often because I have acne prone skin, breakout prone skin, and oily skin, and sunscreens just are a B word to try and match up with if you have my skin type. It comes in this little container with the powder right in here, and you just pull this down and make sure you do this a little bit upside down on something and then spread it across your face. It actually does top up your sun care throughout the day. Just returned from Trader Joe's and looking at the receipt, just a little update on pricing because the other day I went to Whole Foods and it was $60 something. It was $24.66 for Trader Joe's for everything I purchased. To be fair, at Whole Foods I purchased a few different supplements and they're pretty pricey, so that's kind of why the price was so high. But in general, you can go to Trader Joe's and get most of the same items or similar items and it costs way less, which kind of stinks. But anyway, I'm going to be making the same type of vegan tortilla, vegan quesadilla that I made the other day and freeze them so I can just grab and put them in the microwave or in the toaster oven, heat up and eat. I'm not vegan. I just sometimes want vegan food because I can digest vegan cheese better than regular cheese, and it makes a huge difference. And also these corn tortillas are gluten-free, and those are better digestible. It's just white corn, water, and lime. Those are the exact ingredients, and I can digest this way better. It's vegan, gluten-free. So I'm going to put together those again and freeze them and be able to grab and go. And I'll probably do that for the next vlog and show the recipe, maybe cook everything together and show you how that looks. Just so you know, I'm having 2 vlogs a week through October, so Vlogtober on Sunday and Wednesday. And yeah, stay tuned for the recipe on this if that's what I'm going to be doing the next one. I'm not sure, so just stay tuned and see if that's what will be coming up next.